In 2009, the modern VMax was born, which had undergone a complete revolution. The engine capacity was increased to 1,679 cubic centimeters with nearly 200 horsepower. Advanced electronic systems such as Yamaha Chip Controlled Throttle, YCCT, and Yamaha Chip Controlled Intake, YCCI, replaced the mechanical V-thrusters, providing smoother yet still brutal power. The new super stiff aluminum frame, 52mm adjustable front fork, and modern radial brakes with ABS make the VMax not only a drag race champion, but also agile in the corners. It's a true muscle bike capable of dominating the streets with power and control. More than just a machine, the VMax has become a pop culture icon. It appeared in the movie Ghost Rider, the spirit of vengeance featured in the legendary game Final Fantasy VII, and symbolized raw power in an era increasingly focused on environmental friendliness. Sadly, production of the VMax ended in 2020 due to stricter emissions regulations. But the legend is not dead. The roar of its engine still resonates in the hearts of true motorcycle enthusiasts. Now, the two-wheeled world is heating up again. A design leak of the Yamaha VMax 1800 concept has surfaced. An iconic cruiser bike is set to return with a more brutal, modern look and a 1,800 cubic centimeter engine that is rumored to produce 210 horsepower. The design features a futuristic retro square headlight. The single seat emphasizes the high-performance character of the bike, paired with Ohlins upside-down suspension and Brembo brakes. The dual titanium exhaust system from Akrapovic not only enhances the aesthetics and lightweight design, but also promises the signature soul-stirring roar of a V4 engine. Behind its aggressive looks, the VMax 1800's mechanical heart is said to feature a 1,800 cubic centimeters V4 engine, an upgrade from the previous generation's 1,679 cubic centimeters. With Yamaha's signature configuration and advanced electronic systems such as YCCT and YCCI, the bike is expected to produce close to 210 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful cruisers in its segment. If launched in 2026, it could become a new icon and a stylish finale to the era of true muscle bikes.